Hey guys, it's Joe with VMP. We're here with Neil's 1993 Ford Mustang Notchback. You've probably seen this car in another video. If you haven't, make sure you check it out. The old setup on the car was a stock intake manifold, a custom cold air intake, hooker long tube headers, 410 rear gears, a power by the hour 11 to 14 control pack with a stock 11 to 14 Mustang GT engine and a 6R80. Let's hop up on the dyno and see what it's got done to it now. So as you can see now, Neil's car has a VMP Gen2R supercharger with an 85mm pulley, a JLT 123mm cold air intake, a GT500 Twin 60, a set of the VMP fuel rails, a set of 52-pound injectors, and a set of Joe's Creations cold air intake deflector heat shield made for about a quarter for temporary use on the dyno. Thanks to the use of the VMP Gen2R supercharger, this thing picked up over 200 horsepower. It's now making 562 horsepower, 485 pound-feet of torque with a 85mm pulley, which is basically as low as it goes with the Gen2R, about 8 pounds of boost. If you like what we did here with Neil's car and you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.